Morning, YouTube. Doing this quick unboxing here, something that I want to share with you guys. So basically, this is some parts that I got for my Lexus IS 250 and IS 350. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so the brand of this one over here in Amazon is called TRQ. View before you do. I don't know, whatever. Let's see. I got my Inspector General here. Leo, inspecting everything. Let's see what we got here in this box. All right, perfect. So basically, what we get here is a pair. So this goes in the stabilizing bar. And something that I really want everybody to put attention, because I see a lot of complaints on Amazon on the cheap Chinese, that they say that they try to install it and then they have problems. Something that everybody has to put a real attention is they make sure that the cheap Chinese, even if the cheap Chinese, have the key here to hold and adjust, and or at least to hold this part so it doesn't roll, and you can tighten it up with the other Allen wrench. So that's very important, and both sides have to have that. Otherwise, when you're going to try to install it, the inner part that is inside here start continuing rolling in the direction that you're trying to tighten it up. In this case, this direction here. See right there how you guys can see? Let me see if you guys can see right there. They use a different wrench to hold it. So you hold it with that wrench, and then with the other one, you tighten it up in order to install it. One critique to this one is that doesn't have a way to put oil or replace the oil with time. That's and that these are a cheap steel sealing over here to seal the boot with the grease. So that's the only critique. I see others that have the stainless steel, but you pay $135 for the whole set, compared with what I paid for this one that I think it was like $50. All right, so that's that. Let's see what else I got here for the Lexus. Let's see here. Oh, this very important. Okay, so I got these babies here. Basically, for my Lexus IS 350, because the ones from the factory are wet out. So you guys can see here how strong it is right now that I cannot even move it with my hands. So that's important for the alignment of the car, for the steering direction, and for safety. So again, another critique, the professional ones, I see only one model that you can have lubricate, but these ones are sealed. And so basically this goes with the control arm. And you got this one here too. See it right here. And you can see the quality because you got the stainless steel right there. So it makes a difference on the quality. So this I'm gonna replace both of them. So the car will improve for the alignment, for the steering, for direction, responses, everything. Right there, that's the next one. All right, and let's see the other one. What else I got here? Oh, this is a tool so I can fix a damage that they have on the rear quarter panel. And I'm gonna do a separate video. You're guys gonna have laughing about what I use to fix my car. And everybody's gonna think I'm crazy, but this part of the tool, they're going to help me to pull out the body of the car so I can start working on fixing everything else with the car. Well guys, again, like, subscribe, make any suggestions. I'm going to do a separate video about this particular tool, and then we go from there. Again, like, subscribe, make any suggestion. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it, everybody who watched my videos.